I used the Keeping Traditions scrapbooking kit by Stampin' Up to make this really cute candy pouch. These scrapbooking kits are so cool because they come with all this different papers, designer series paper, dies, and like die cut images that you can pop out and make really easy and quick scrapbooking pages. But for this, I made a really cute candy pouch. Now I used some dies and die cut out the paper, and look at the little pouch that I created, only using the parts and pieces from that kit. These kits are so cool. We're using this kit for our first Great North American Stampin' Show Christmas retreat in a box, and I promise you, you will love this retreat. Even if you just get the tutorial, the projects are absolutely fantastic. Love, love, love them. So sign up, go to madeToCreateWithLisa.com. If you go to the store, that's where the sign up for the retreat is. You can also go to my blog post that has this project, and you can get all the links for all of the different things that I used. MadeToCreateWithLisa.com. Go to the store to sign up for the retreat or for the blog project.